What's up, YouTubers? This is Sean B, aka Sean Bo, Yee Entertainment, coming to you with a review. I just purchased these Dragon Hawk tattoo machines. Have the Dragon Hawk Extreme 2 and the Dragon Hawk Extreme, both rotary. Ever get this box open. There we go. What I like about this one is this screw on the back that you could adjust for shading and lining. But one thing I didn't like about this set is that they require two different plugs. This one came with the set. This one I purchased separately, thinking that I would be able to use them on both of them, but actually I needed that one for this one, so it came in handy. I also purchased the Dragon Hawk power supply, and I'm liking it so far. Some Kumasuri lining ink, Japanese stencil stuff, Eternal ink caps, little accessories, green soap, some ink bottles to dilute this lining and shading ink, and something else I would suggest for new and inspiring tattoo artists is the iPad Pro with Apple Pencil and Procreate, which I use. But I have a negative review on my order. Pearson Pros. I ordered 20 pieces of transfer paper, and what I got was this skin lock. Lock it in. I mean, I can't use skin lock if I don't have the transfer paper to transfer the stencil to the skin. I could try to freehand somebody's tattoo, but I'm not that good and I'm not that dumb. Just like some people go buy these $20, $30 tattoo kits and do tattoos on people with ink that clearly says not for human use. But hey, to each its own. But yeah, I got this and I tried to write a review, and they reviewed my review and did not allow me to post or deleted my comments. So do not purchase from these people, because they will send you something like this already open and you will have to pay to ship the item back. Oops. Wow. And it's outrageous, but I think I'll keep this because it costs more than what I ordered. But then at the same time, I look at the boxes and they're different because they're black and this one is white. So this might be some old out of date and I never used it anyway. So whatever. But hey, once I use these machines, I'll do another review and let you know how they run. But yeah, I holla.